Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make lemon pickle. This is an instant recipe, so you need not marinate the lemon in salt or vinegar for days. A very tasty, easy and quick recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've taken 12 medium-sized lemon. Clean wash it and pat it dry. Cut the lemon into quarters. This is up to you. You can also go for a smaller size or a bigger one. Cut all the lemon and keep it ready. Now let's start making the lemon pickle. Heat a pan and add 100 ml of gingelly oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add a pinch of asafoetida. Then add the lemon pieces and give it a quick mix. Then add a teaspoon of salt and mix it well for 5 minutes in high flame. It's been 2 minutes now. The lemon has started to release juice. Continue to mix for another 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes now. The lemon has released its juice completely. It's nice and thick now, so go ahead and add a tablespoon of chili powder. Mix it well for a minute in low flame. The oil has separated now. At this stage, add half teaspoon of mustard powder and half teaspoon of fenugreek powder. Mix it well for a minute and your delicious instant lemon pickle is now ready. You can enjoy it right away. This best goes with curd rice or any variety rice. Very easy and simple recipe. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.